I talked about this once before actually. It's a Belgian company that use a low fall of water to generate power by diverting a river across a turbine. Have a quick look at this. That's pretty cool, hey? Now, remember Tim came up and gave me a whole load of these, and we have done this before where we took a PC fan and stuck it under the tap. These are pretty good, actually, so I was thinking about replicating a mini version of that Belgian turbine with one of these. So I've taken a bit of Perspex, drilled a hole through it and screwed the fan to it. Now I've already adapted this to a generator and I've done a video on that before. Now the water I want to run in this direction to hint those fan blades like that. So I need a channel coming down there and then an involute to capture that water just like the Belgians did and send it spinning around there. Now to cut the involute, what I'm going to do is use a bit of aluminium and we'll glue it to that. So let's cut some aluminium and put a scroll on it. Let's make it roundish. All I've done is glued this involute on with hot glue. Now the idea is that the water enters here, comes down there and creates a vortex as it's forced around that spiral. And because as it's vortexing, it should then go through the fan. Now the direction of the vortex is in the same direction as the fan blades. So what we need to do now with it is put some water in at this end and see if it'll spin. Okay, I've set it up over the sink and I've got a bowl of water I'm going to pour in here and I've connected it up to a voltmeter. So let's have a look. Well, that's amazing, actually. That actually works. Astonishing. Okay, that actually worked, and to be honest, that was awesome. Because what you're looking at here is a proof of concept that took me about an hour to put together, just to see if that idea would work. So, of course, there's a ton of optimization. Now, the principle here is, the water falls a short distance, and when I held it a few centimetres above, comes down there, and of course it creates a vortex by going around that involute. So the water's already spinning in the same way that it spins when it goes down your drain. And that spinning motion was then caught by this generator and we generated something. Now we got about 0.6 of a volt and it was a few milliamps or so. To get some real readings out of it, obviously we need to make a better thing because like I say, is that the right size? Well, I don't really know. So we've got some optimization to do on the shape of the involute, but the idea would be, here's your drain pipe. Your water comes out of here, spins around the vortex and drops through. Now we've got wastewater. That would drop into another one that comes, spins, another one spins, and laddering it all the way down to the ground, using the vortex and gravity to generate from this. And I was surprised actually how much that generated from a bowl of water held a few centimetres above it. Very cool, very interesting, and I think well worth a bit of a better look at. But I wanted to show you the prototype and show you what I was thinking about. So this vortex idea that the Belgians were using certainly works. And it looks like we can scale it down and use something like a PC fan. Now obviously these are fan blades. They'd be better if they were turbine blades meant for water. But we got something out of it, no trouble at all. Anyway, I hope you liked the idea. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching and please remember to like and subscribe.